My name is Shubham Karodi and I will be conducting your webinar today. So today's webinar topic is how to use ADX for trend identification in intraday and swing trading. Before we start our webinar, I would like to tell a little about Taking Forward Institute. At Taking Forward, we conduct courses on technical and fundamental analysis. We are leading institute situated in central India providing market related courses. We are one of the few institutes in India providing a CMT all level training. So now let's begin with our presentation. So what is basically trend analysis and why it is important in trading world? Trend analysis is a technique used in technical analysis that attempts to predict the future stock price movement based on recently observed trend data. The trend analysis is based on idea that what has happened in the past and gives trader an idea of what will happen in future. As you can see from the two pictures here, one is downtrend, left one, and right one is showing uptrend. So basically it is having it is making in downtrend, it is making lower lows, continuous lower lows, which identifies that trend is going to go down. The price is moving down in downward direction. And in uptrend, you will see the price is making, the market is making new higher highs, and it is going in upward directions. So I hope it is easy to understand what trend is. Trend analysis try to predict trends such as bull market and write that trend until data suggests a trend reversal, such as bull to bear. As we have all faced this situation in the market, we have seen reversal quite often in the market. The trend analysis is helpful because it gives you opportunity to move with the trend, and it will enhance your chance of making good profit. And guys, I want to give you a trader's perceptive tip that master trend analysis techniques, because most of the trader who makes good money in the market, they follow trend analysis. So now we comes to what is ADX. ADX is basically the full form of ADX is average directional index. The ADX is a creation from technical analysis legend J. Wells Wilder. It's very often, it says that it's very clear by looking at ADX. When you come to know that, you will feel that as well, that it was showing, it is the indicator which informs trader when market is trending, and it filters out counter trend trades to keep all the traders on the right side of the market. Basically it helps you to ride the trend in the right direction, and it helps you to understand the market, which way it is trending. Okay. So it always helps in market analysis. ADX is used in quantifying trend distance as well. So the ADX is comprised of following components. There is a plus DMI movement index. So as you can see from the picture, the green line represents the green line here, which says plus DMI line. Plus DMI line means plus directional movement index, and plus is for like it lines should, it always goes up, and there is minus direction movement index line, which is representing in red line. So these two line represents what how market is performing, how it is behaving. Like when plus DMI is above minus DMI, that market is trending in upward direction, and when minus DMI is above plus DMI line, then market is going into downward direction. The third one is ADX line. So ADX line is basically the difference between plus DMI and minus DMI line. So as the spread between plus and minus increases, the ADX line started increasing. Okay, it shows the strength of the trend. So as I explained to you, you can see one more time here that when plus DMI line is above minus DMI line, plus line is representing in green color, minus DMI line is representing in red color. So when plus is above minus, it is uptrend, and when minus is above plus DMI, then it is downtrend. ADX calculations are based on moving average of price range expansion over a given period of time. The default setting is basically 14 bars. Although other time periods can be used, ADX can be used on any trading vehicle such as stock, mutual funds, ETFs, and futures. Basically, in India, we usually use this in stocks and mutual fund, most stocks and futures usually, not on mutual fund that much. And ADX is basically can be traded on all type of time frames, and it gives clear trend directions. So now ADX has its own range. As you can see from the previous slide, this quantifies the ADX line. Like, it shows how strong the trend is. So it gives us idea that this we can basically compare with the previous data as well, that how strong the trend is currently going on in the market. And this is the way to analyze it. When the plus DMI is above DMI minus DMI line, the prices are moving upwards. I'll just repeat one more time so it won't be confusing for you. And ADX measures the strength of the uptrend. How it is going to quantify it? By its number. So ADX has its range. So when it is between 0 to 10, means when it is between 0 to 10 till here, it is recommended not to trade on that particular range, because it won't give you any kind of particular signal that time. When it is trading between 10 to 20, then either it is range bound, it shows range bound market, or it is preparing itself for a breakout zone. As you can see from here, 10 to 20, it is very much that the market is either accumulating or it is in distribution mode, and it is market is preparing for a breakout. When we have a clear indication, means when we have a ADX is about 25 reading, that's the early stage of any trend. Okay, so that is a very significant number, 25. That will definitely give us a standard to judge any trend. It gives us an early stage signal. Okay, as soon as the ADX reading is started increasing, it is showing the strength of the trend. Unless it will reach the level 50 level is extreme in ADX, and if it is going above 50, then it is not recommended to take trade over there, because it represents market's volatility and extreme levels. So market can come down from there, so avoid trading on very high levels. Basically, ADX values helps traders identify the strongest and most profitable trends to trade. These values are also important for distinguishing between what is trending and what is not, like what, when market is trending and when market is not trending. Many traders in the market, they use ADX reading about 25 to take a trade basis trade entries, and as soon as it goes about 25 and it shows little more strength, they start riding the trend unless it will reach the extreme levels. Basically, low ADX is a sign of accumulation and a distribution stage. As we can see from here, these levels like till 0 to 20 is basically is showing either sideways market or it is in a stage of early breakout. So what is the trading plan for ADX? So basically, when, as we discussed, when ADX is about 25 for more than 30 candles or bars, as you can see from the picture here, market price enters a range condition. As you can see from here, this is a range condition. It represents in a range. It represents a range, and you can, if you compare with the ADX line here, it is between 0 to 20. It is moving between 0 to 20. Okay, so it is preparing itself to make a breakout. As you can see, afterwards, as soon as ADX crossed 25, the market breakout was significant, and it shows a strong new formation of new breakout, shows a very good trend continuation, and it gives a clear signal. So direction of the ADX line is important for reading the overall trend strength. And when ADX line is rising, as you can see from here, from the picture here, trend strength is increasing. As soon as the ADX line is increasing, trend strength is also increasing, and the price moves in the direction of the trend. When the line is falling, trend strength is decreasing, and the price enters a period of either retracement or consolidation. So there is also a kind of a little misconception in the market that falling ADX line means the trend is reversing. As you can see just now, as let's say this is 25 level, and this above 25, it shows a strong trend movement, and below 25 it is not showing us confirmation of any kind of a trend. So as soon as it's crossed the 25 level and getting stronger, and when it either is stalled or it is going little down, there is a misconception in the people's mind that price might the trend is either reversing, so they usually come out from their position. No, please don't take such kind of a things, because it has been observed that either it represent a retracement where you can take another entry, or if you miss the entry, you can take a entry in the trend. Unless it goes below 25, it is going fine with the direction. You should ride the trend. As soon as it goes below 25, then you should take your profit out, and take out from the trend strategy, because it is a signal of either a reversal or weakening of the trend. So what traders basically use ADX for? Traders basically use ADX for a trade with momentum. The series of ADX peaks, as you can see from the visual representation, ADX clearly indicates when the trend is gaining or losing momentum. As you can see from here, as soon as the market crossed 25 level, and it shows a significant strength in the trend, and it made its first high and it went little down and showed the strength again. It didn't stayed uh, down the 25 reading for long time, and it shows the strength again, and then made another high. So these high represents that momentum is still there in the market. Momentum is basically nothing, is it is a velocity of price, like how price is moving. So we should not, we should always use our ADX strategy to trade with momentum. It will help us to gain a good profit in the market. So how to analyze the momentum through ADX? So the series of higher ADX peaks means trend momentum is increasing. Okay, as you can see from here, and any ADX peaks about 25 is considered strong. Means any reading which makes a high level about 25 is a strong signal that gives us that yes, market is trading in the same direction. As if you have taken any entry in the market and you are seeing that ADX line is about 25 and market is going in your direction, then uh, you should be in the trade. You should not take out your profit, or you can book half of your profit and still be in the be the trade, so you can ride the trend properly. In an uptrend, the price can still rise on decreasing ADX momentum, but overhead supply is eaten as the trend progresses. What usually happens, as soon as the price moving up and up, the overall supply of the price coming or making a new high, it is basically sellers pressure is started building up. So that's why this ADX is not making the high in the same like new higher highs, but still the reading is about 25, and that matters for us. Basically why I'm telling you this, because usually people use ADX for very immediate purpose, but we can use ADX for momentum, for trading in the momentum. We can use it in swing trading, which is based on momentum, and it is seen that if you have used ADX for long term trading, it is very beneficial. Okay. So knowing when a trend momentum is increasing gives the trader confidence to let profits run instead of exiting before the trend has ended. ADX can also shows a momentum divergence as well. When price makes a higher high and ADX makes a lower high, there is negative divergence or non-confirmation. Means either it is a negative direction or non-confirmation. Okay. In general, divergence is not a signal for reversal. Divergence is in ADX is not always a reversal signal, but rather it warns, it gives you warning that trend momentum is changing. It may be appropriate to either tighten your stop losses or take partial profit in your positions. Okay, I hope you understand all this what I'm saying, that because it really helps you in swing trading. Okay, ADX we will analyze few a script on chart as well, so it gives you clear idea. But what ADX is basically gives you uh, first of all overall trend direction. It shows you strength, how to um, how to analyze and how when till like quantify it in terms of the strength. And third very important thing is it shows you the momentum as well, like it gives you momentum indications as well, which can help you in swing trading. So guys, we will discuss overall strategy to use for ADX, the main point in any kind of a trading is the most important thing is price. So price is the single most important uh, signal on any kind of a chart or any kind of a trading. So read the price first, what price is going on in the market, and then read ADX in the context of it, what price is going on. Okay, so first read the price and then compare with the ADX, like where ADX is heading. When so it should, ADX should support the price, means like if it is in the range bound direction, so ADX either should be above or down 25 reading. So we can prepare ourselves to make a take a trade, or wait ourselves, like have little patience and wait for either breakout to happen or let ADX line to cross 25. Okay, what I usually recommend to do, I recommend people to wait for breakout, because breakouts are not hard to spot. They often fail to progress. I accept that they often fail to progress, but we can confirm with ADX that breakout is going, like how strong is the breakout. Like let's say we can see from the chart, as soon as here the line crossed 25 level, and you can see from the bar that bar is making a significant price movement. So we can wait for another bar to happen. If it is goes in the same direction, then we can take entry over there. Okay, so it confirms the strength of the trend. ADX tell you when breakouts are valid by showing when ADX is strong enough for price to trend after the breakout. Okay, as I just described you now. So when ADX rises above 25 or above 25, price is strong enough to continue in the direction of the breakout, as we discussed just now. ADX is usually used in finding the range as well. So ADX shows, as it shows the strength of the trend, it shows the weakness of the trend as well. And as soon as market enters into a range bound or consolidation position, so it ADX line should, or it goes below 25. Okay, and it started, the trend is overall changing into a sideways direction. So as soon as you see a sideways market where there is no higher highs is being formed by the in the chart, or the upper resistance level is very much significant, or you can easily identify that it touched 2 or 3 times, and the support level also is therefore touched 2 or 3 times. So you got a range bound market, and it is easily identified or confirmed with ADX as soon as it goes below 25 and stayed below 25 or 10 or 20 range. That is defined as range bound. So if you are a trader who is comfortable taking positions in range market, or if you are an option trader who trade usually in range, so ADX gives you confirmation there as well. You can use ADX in your strategy in that way. And so before going on to chart, I would like to tell you that ADX is not like it is not a holy grail strategy where you will find ADX is giving you exact signals, or this is not a strategy where you will see every time trend changes you will find all entry and exit very clearly. Yes, it is useful and it is effective approach, but you should always mix indicators with price action and confirmation with another momentum indicator. Either you can use with RSI is very good with mixing with ADX, it shows you, it gives you a double confirmation. And by the saying of price action, I mean by candlestick. If you know candlestick patterns very well, you can mix ADX with that. Any breakout or any significant candle which shows you breakout can mix, can give you a double confirmation in ADX, and you can use this in your trading. So let's analyze the chart, so it will be easy for you guys to understand what I'm saying. So this is our platform, and we are analyzing Reliance Industries chart, and time frame is 5 minutes, and date is 25th of September. Okay, sorry, this is 24th of September. Time is 2:30 p.m. Okay, what happened in the market after a significant change in the trend? Okay, as you can see, the starting of the day, the price was going up, it was bullish, but and we got confirmation as soon as the the plus DMI, which is green. I hope you all can see from here that green represents positive DMI line and red line represents minus DMI line. So as soon as this conversion happen of plus and minus, it shows us that market is going into uh, uptrend, and the movement was very significant. As you can see, the spread was very significant, but our range was a little below 25. And guys, this is 5 minutes window, so you this is an intraday approach of taking ADX. Okay, so as soon as it's crossed between about 20 or reaching 25, that's a very good entry to take a trade. As you can see, it moved little, it shows little like retracement on the spread as well. So it gives us a double confirmation that yes, price is going into upward direction. And 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 10, so it was around for more than 1 hour, the window was open to take a trade. Okay, so window was open to take a trade for more than 1 hour. And if you count it from here, it was 20-25 minutes easy entry and take easy profit for around 17 rupees. As soon as price crossed 25, this high of 2223 rupees, it made a little piercing candle, and the price was not supporting it, started going into downward direction. And after this bearish engulfing pattern it made on the chart, the DMI line, it also crossed about down 25, like it went below 25. Okay, and plus DMI and minus DMI also, the spread is gone and it is coming very close, and it basically gives us a signal that either a new conversion of these two lines going to happen, or either price going to ADX line going to either go up and going to show the strength of a new trend. But the conversion, as soon as conversion happened, price, the ADX line didn't go above 25, it went till 14.38. so if you are a just ADX trader, or if you have included in your strategy, just wait for your ADX to go above at least 20 level. So when it is going down till 15 or 10 level, and it significantly increased till 20 or 25, that also shows a strong momentum in the market. And then see the conversion, what is happening, whether plus or minus, which line is crossing what. Let's say here after 2 p.m. we have seen that suddenly the market is changing its way and it is coming down and down, and the ADX line from 15 level, it almost reached 25. So here was a good entry, guys. At conversion was very significant between minus DMI and plus DMI. So minus was up. So it shows that conversion is great. So it is, the trend is having some kind of strength. As soon as ADX is crossed 20 and reaches 25, this also gives us second confirmation. We could have taken the trade 95 till 80, another 15 rupees trade till here, guys, still here. Okay, so this way you can easily take intraday profit of 10 to 12 rupees in stock like Reliance. Okay, it's just that it shows you a double confirmation with your price action study, with your candlestick analysis, and it gives you a double confirmation, and you can take a trade accordingly in your strategy. Let's analyze this chart for swing trading. So I'm using time frame of 1 day, guys. 1 day is very significant when you use for swing trading. So same Reliance, as you can see, I am analyzing from 25th, 24th of July. So I think this time was the 24th July 2019. Okay, or rather we should analyze little ahead, because the time frame should be little relevant for you, as we'll discuss basically the pandemic time, the February March area. Just one second. Yeah, so the February March area we will discuss. April, May. Yeah, this area, as you can see, the day by day candles are showing a little a clear reversal from these levels. Okay, the market price is going down and down. It is creating the this pattern is called this 3 crow bearish pattern, and it shows that market is probably going to go down. So how we use our ADX into that? So we see the conversion here. That's minus a DMI line cross the positive DMI line on 28th of February, and we waited for another confirmation. We waited till 25th of Feb, and as soon as it's crossed the 25 level here, if you would have taken the trade here as well, and 1347, so it significantly fall from this level 1341 till 1088, or you if even crossed below that. Okay, so it reached 953 level, so 300 400 rupees profit easily. So this shows, this ADX line, as you can see from here, it shows a significant strength in the trend, and by the conversion of minus and plus DMI, you can see the spread is increasing, it's not decreasing, so it is also giving a good signal. So these both mix, if you mix with your price action analysis, it gives you total indication of strength, where it is heading, and it it gives you good profit, high probability area where you can take a trade. I hope, guys, this analysis was helpful and easier to understand to all of you.